Di ba nag-enjoy kanina?
Hindi ko nga alam eh. I think I'm still on adrenaline. I don't know kung ano kamusta yung pa ako. But, laban lang.
Laban lang.
At isa, lagi ka nalang nagkakaproblema sa paa mo.
I know!
So, nung nadapa ka ba, naisip mo it's gonna affect the results?
No, I just wanted to get back up immediately after I fell down.
How does it feel na ikaw ang bumasag sa sumpa ng Binibining Pilipinas for MUPs?
Bakit? Ano yung sabihin?
Na wala daw na nanalang Binibining Pilipinas
Ay,
sa
ako.
MUPs.
Finally.
Thank you.
Atisa, how happy are you to be wearing that crown?
Oh, very happy, Miss D.
Yeah.
I can't even like
Patras na ng
tell
patras,
you
no?
how much.
Patras ng patras.
Baka ano, baka...
Okay, so you felt tonight. Well, can you tell us what happened? Did you trip on your dress, or like you just missed a step, or you just?
I got caught in my dress. Yeah. And then after I fell down, all I wanted was to get back up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Everyone was really impressed kasi parang walang nangyari. Like,
Basta wag na nga.
like game face on, are you hurt or anything?
I don't think so. Not right now.
Sabi nila, Destiny daw ang Miss Universe Philippines.
I believe in that also.
So did you feel na before the competition? Parang sa'yo talaga ito, magandang jewel.
Alam mo, Miss D, I had so many signs. I had so many signs before I could join Miss Universe Philippines. I wasn't even supposed to be Miss Universe Philippines Quezon Province. There was someone already. And then,
Pero yung journey mo became from the start that you signed up until now. So how was it for you? Were you getting more and more confident, or did you feel like the competition na talagang matindi? Although you were always a kid.
matindi talaga the competition because you've seen the top 6. Any of us could be crowned and we'd still have a good fight in Thailand. And I'm just very happy that the judges chose me.
Yeah. Well, what about this gown of Bagan mo ba?
Tito Val.
Yeah. Did you feel like you look super queenie?
Thank you. Thank you.
You chose it with him.
We did. We collaborated together with my stylist Patty Yap and AJ Alberto.
So your fans in Thailand, ang dami.
Thank
Let's go.
Isang problema sa stage din.